welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna build basically a simple furnace array. I need one at this point in this world. What I had before does not work the best, so I figured screw it. Let's just make one at this point. This spot that I have for all my cooking and everything is not that efficient. These are from a mod that I put in here that I thought I would use, and turns out it's just a complete pain, and I was using a carpet duper to basically be the fuel for it. So at this point, I'm just gonna tear this all out, and I'm probably just either gonna put a furnace array here, or I'm gonna put it somewhere over here. Maybe tear this out, or tear this out over here. I haven't decided where I want to put it, so let's let's just start gathering the material and everything for it while I decide where I want to put it. I do have a wither skeleton farm that I get all my coal from. Honestly, I wouldn't mind putting it right here, but I would have to tear this all out, and I don't exactly remember how big this farm is. So let's get started on collecting the material. Alright, I got shulkers right here. Let's do this. Let's throw all this stuff up here that I'm not gonna use. Okay, let's fly down here. Drop these shulkers right here. Drop all this. Give me. No, we're just gonna put all this in here. Oh yeah, and if I sound super nasally, it's because I came down with a cold that is just god awful. Jesus. That is just terrible. And it's really been hitting me hard, and these wildfires have not been helping out because I do work outside. So it's basically only made this worse. And I am not having a fun time dealing with it. But I'm gonna get a video out to you guys. And let's throw that in there. I can throw out all that. I don't need that. And I recorded a whole nother video I'll show you. But I ended up scrapping it because the audio in it came out terrible. So this right here is a cactus farm that I built and ended up scrapping the video. It's nothing too fancy, just a regular cactus farm. It's not too bad, it's not too good. It does what I need it to do. Oh, I almost died. Wonderful. Yeah. Yeah, all of it comes down here into a centralized spot. I got an item sorter right here. I recorded it, went to edit it, and then found out the audio in it wasn't the best, so I pretty much just scrapped the idea. Oh, I threw that in there. There it is. Alright, so let's go turn on the mob switch. I really wish I'd have built this closer to my base, but this was the only big ocean around that I could find because of the biomes and plenty that I have in this world that I turned off all of the biomes, so I have to go so far out for regular world generation and everything. That's why you see some blocks in here that aren't in the vanilla game, because I didn't expect this world to last this long. I figured it'd be one of those 2 week, I'm gonna play for 2 weeks and then be done with it, but it's lasted, darn it, it's lasted a lot longer than I thought, so I figured might as well record this, waiting on the new Call of Duty to come out. And then I'm gonna be recording that and everything too. And what other games I decide that I want to play in the meantime. I have a whole plethora of games that I can play that I don't. Alright, weather this way. I gotta keep drinking water because of this sickness, so if you guys hear it in the background or if you hear any rustling in the background, that's probably my cats going mayhem, playing with each other. They don't understand to leave me alone while I'm playing on the computer, so they just go mayhem. Alright, now that the mob switch is on, let's get to grabbing all the materials and everything for this. I got this design off a Discord. It is called TMC Catalog. I was testing it in my creative world to make sure everything worked and everything, and it actually works quite well. So let's gather everything that we need for it. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. I pretty much should have everything for it. Just throw that in there. Stone brick. Okay, I got all the slabs. Hoppers are in here. How many do I need? 2 stacks. Yep. 2 stacks of hoppers. Stone brick. Yeah, see that this is the problem. Is that I have no stone bricks, no nothing. So I'm gonna have to go smelt this, and it's probably gonna take forever unless I have stuff already smelted. Got that. Oh, okay, yeah, I got enough. Okay. Alright, let's turn this into stone brick. Okay. Now, I need 64 furnaces, so I'm gonna have to go to my cobble farm. Yeah, this cobble farm is insane. This is probably one of the best cobble farms I have ever seen and or used. I think it's like 100,000 an hour. Okay, 64. Perfect. Let's go down here and get rails. Do I got... Okay, I got activated rails too. Now we need chest. I should have some of those. I just gotta remember it's right here. Perfect. Oh, I do not have chest. Okay. So, let's go. Yeah, that's like this. This is from Biomes of Plenty. That I don't use, but I do use that wood. That is the only thing in here that I actually use. I don't really build with it. I mean, I do have another house that you guys have saw that I did make out of it. That's when I first started the world. But other than that, I don't really use it at all. Okay, let's go. Come. Shoot. Come. Oh, I need slabs. Okay. I need stone brick stairs. I got some of those. Dispensers. Dispensers and droppers. Okay. I know where those are. Fly over here. And I know the big rave nowadays is hardcore worlds, but I like to just have fun. Whether I die or I don't want it to be too serious. Granted, I have the totems and everything that I would need for it, but I don't want to feel like being stressed out. I just want to play and have fun. There's no point in stressing about it. Okay. Oh, wait, what? I don't got enough hoppers? Alright, let's do that. And then I need dispenser, those. Oh, I need a cauldron. Okay. Alright. Which means I'm gonna need more redstone. No, no, right there. Okay. Redstone comparators, repeaters. Oh, I don't got any of those either. Okay. I thought I had a ton of stuff in this. Yeah, and that's from another mod too. That is from, I think it's called Traveler's Backpack. It's very helpful. That's why you don't see me happen to eat that much in this world. Because in this backpack, all my food and everything's in it. So it just eats right out of it. And I use it to carry around different types of supplies and everything, like my hoppers, even though I should just make another chest for those at this point. So let's grab that. Oh, I need sand right here. Grab the sand. I need comparators. So let me grab this. Let me put stuff. Don't need that in here. Don't need that. Don't. Throw all this in there. Sort it. Perfect. Pick that up. Okay. Now I need wood. There's that. Oh, I need oak wood too to make oak signs. Perfect. Cool. Got the signs. I got the cactus. So I need redstone right there. What do I? Oh, I need stone. Wonderful. Do I got stone? No. No, I don't. So I'm gonna have to smelt some. Unless I got some out here. Okay, yeah, I got some stone. Perfect. But yeah, I figured might as well record this, get used to recording and everything for when the new Call of Duty comes out, and I can just go straight into playing that. Where did I put all that? Okay, there's those redstone torches. Give me those. And everything, I'm not big on people hearing my voice and everything, but I figured I'd have to start somewhere. Perfect. Okay, let's throw this back in there. That's perfect. I need water, cactus, cauldron, target block. Just throw all this in there. Perfect. Sorted. Okay. Throw that in there. Throw all this cobblestone. And throw all that in there. Oh, I need that. Need that. I need that. I come back here and throw all this out. Yeah, I don't need any of that. Okay. So let's get the target block. Oh, I need a hay bale. Okay. I did not know that. But yeah, in the video that I already recorded and everything of the whole process of building that farm, you could not hear me in it, basically. So I figured, screw it, I'd just scratch it. Okay. So I do not have... Oh, it's Frostwalker. I don't think I have hay. No, no. Oh, there's no shovel. Okay, while I'm here though, I can get that cauldron. Okay. Do I got it in here? Oh, I got a piece. Sponges. No. What about here? I have stuff every. This is one of my next huge projects I'm going to build is going to be a massive storage system for this whole world. I haven't figured out how I want to do it and everything. No hay here? No, it don't look like it. Okay. Alright. Oh, I guess let me go get some bone meal. Oh, let me check these. Oh, perfect. Lava. Packed nope. Okay. Let me get some bone meal. This is my tree farm. I want to make a better one. I mean, it does what it needs to do, but it can't do all of them. Grab some bone meal. It can't do all of them. I need a seed. Perfect. Go over here. Yeah, like this. This was for my care farm before I set up a villager hall that I get all my golden carrots from. So this is pretty much useless. I can just get rid of this. And I'm probably gonna do... I have no idea what I'm gonna put here in its place. But I am gonna get rid of it. It's just an eyesore at this point. Okay. Let's go down here. Alright, let's get that hay bale. Perfect. Where's all that redstone right there? And make the target block. There we go. Let's grab that up. Okay, so I just need cactus and water. Okay. And then we can start building. Hopefully it doesn't take that long because like I said, I'm sick and I really don't feel like talking. But the last two videos that I did, I didn't really talk much in them. And I figured if I want to connect with people and everything, I might as well start talking in them. Because I figured people don't want to wait until that new Call of Duty comes out just to hear somebody start talking in a video. So let's see, where do I want to put this? Honestly, I might dig that out and put it down there. It's not loud. I looked at two different designs and the one was super loud, but it was more compact. And this one isn't as loud. So honestly, I might put it down here. So let me skip. Oh, I do not have paste down here. Wait, what? I should. No? Wait, what? Why ain't that beacon on? That beacon should be on. No? Wait, what? What's going on? Hang on. Let me mine it and see what happens. Oh. That's why. Okay. to go up here. Alright, there we go. Now it should, yeah, now it's on. Okay, let's get haste. Perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna dig that out. Big enough to put it in it. Granted, I don't know how exactly big it's gonna have to be, so I'm just gonna dig out an entire room for it. So I will get back once it's all done and everything. Okay. I got the whole room dug out. It will fit right in here. So let me just clean up these edges, even though I'll probably continue the same design that I did out there in here. Still doesn't hurt to clean these edges up, kinda. Alright. Should be good. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Oh, I didn't get all of it. Perfect. Okay. Alright, let's set it down to the bottom layer, which would be 47. Let's go 47. Perfect. And alright, let's clean out my inventory and let's start building. Perfect. Okay. I got the soul sand. Let's just grab like this. That. Okay. Alright, let's start building. Turn on print mode. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Oh, my pickaxe is about to break. Alright, let's put this stuff here. Okay. Alright. Now, there is something I want to talk about though. I don't know if anybody else saw, but the whole let's put the Aether back in, but only make it to where it is for put this back on. Only for Bedrock, when everybody that has been playing this game for many, many years have been saying they wanted a new dimension. So they decided, hey, let's make one, but let's only put it for Bedrock. Oh. I think that is the biggest bullcrap. When they refuse to add stuff to the end, the last thing I think I remember personally them adding to the end was, I think, the Elytras. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking that's what it was. I'm thinking it was the Elytras. And then they have the big portal in the ancient city. They have that big portal. Darn it. They haven't done anything with that, even though one of the newest things made it seem like they were. But we all know how that goes. Yeah, we all know how that goes. They never actually do anything with it, or if they do, it takes ages for them to. Um, wait, do I not have the... No, I don't have the redstone torches. Yeah, when I saw that, I seen it and I was like, oh, really? They're adding the Aether in about time. I mean, granted, they'd probably have to do some tweaks to it and everything. Because if you add the full Aether in, I think it comes with that thing where it allows you to fly. I'm pretty sure. which would completely eliminate the Elytra, and I doubt they want to do that, in all honesty. But hey, I could be wrong. Yeah, I could be wrong. Come, what? What is going on? Okay, there we go. Oh, that's the activator rail. Where did I put that? Right there. Perfect. Sometimes I hate this game. I think that should be the activator rail. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh, I forgot the water. Okay, hang on. We'll go get some water real quick. Yeah, so I'm hoping they eventually do something that adds something new, like big into this game. I know they added the chaos cubes, or however they say it. I know they added that in, and I'm waiting until all these mods and everything get updated to the new version before I completely update it and everything to that. Oh, okay, that's fine. I got enough water. Because there's no point. I don't think it's fully been released. I think they're still doing updates for it. So there's absolutely no point in adding all of that in yet. But once they completely... Okay, hang on. Okay, yeah. Huh? Alright, let's add... that. Let's make a water source. Then I'll update this world and everything to that. And then hope I can... There is some mobs I want to get rid of, like that furnace mob. I have a chest mod in this that I don't use. It's absolutely pointless. I want to get rid of that one. I'm going to wait until they completely update everything before I start doing all that. Okay. Alright, let's turn that off. Because if not, that's going to be an absolute pain to deal with. Perfect. Granted, those chaos cubes, or sulfur cubes, whatever they call them, they do look pretty cool. I think there'll be a lot of people that make like fun mini games out of them and everything, which in all honesty I might play with my fiance and everything and post that, or she'll post it on her channel and everything, but until then I'ma just stick to this. Alright, let's do this. Oh great. Says that alignment doesn't matter. What do I need? More slabs, give me that water. Do I have where did I put the cactus? There, right there. Okay. Put that there. Yeah, we'll probably do some mini games and everything, like I was saying. Oh no. Wait, what? Ow. Huh? Okay, now I'm confused. Okay, it wants it like that. Okay, no it doesn't. Okay, there we go. I was like, what? What is going on? Okay, now let's finish this. Sometimes I hate building with rails. Okay, auto poppers. Perfect. Need that. I need these hoppers. But yeah, no, once that Call of Duty and everything comes out, I'm still gonna be posting this. But it's gonna be a mix of just about every game that I feel like posting and everything on it. Okay, do that. Okay, I need regular stone brick now. There it is. That there, that there. Perfect. Let me do this. Okay, that's fine how that is. Let's keep going up. I was not expecting it to be this difficult. Fun. So I can put the water here. Turn this off. Nope. Shit. in the world? Alright, doesn't look like it broke anything. Oh, yes it did, actually. This is gonna be a pain. Okay. Okay, why is this being so complicated? It's this rail. Oh, why is that being so complicated? Yeah, because this rail's not wanting to do what it's supposed to do. No, that rail broke. Wonderful. No. Oh, okay. Alright, that rail's there. Let me add the water to that. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's just keep building this. Sometimes I love this game, sometimes I don't. Okay. Oh yeah, and I'm not cutting out all this sniffling. That's gonna be way too much to do. I'm just trying to hold it in the best that I can, but it's not really working. Okay. That there, that. Okay, there's that. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Now I need to, let's put all this in here. Okay. Now I got to, yeah, signs. Now I need like shovels or something. I gotta put it in the I gotta put it in the, I think it's the hopper clock. I gotta do it in. Okay. Alright, let me go check and I will get back to you. Okay. I gotta get shovels and I gotta put them in here. Oh, great. Do I gotta turn the farm on? Which locks these, I think? No, it doesn't. I put that in there. Now I'm missing the water, I think down here. Yeah. Let me see. Yep, right there. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. No. What in the world's going on? Right there. Okay. Now I need lava again. Give me that lava. Put that in there. Okay. It's just these. I got that. It's just those. The orientation of this road does not matter. Okay. But yet, these ones. That's gonna break that. Oh well. Let me do this. Power rail. Okay, maybe that was activator rail. Where'd I put all those activator rails? Activator rail? Yes. I should have more activator rails over here. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, there's that. Break this. Darn it. Alright, this is gonna take me forever to figure out. Okay. There's that. No. Okay, there's that. Maybe if I go boom, boom. There's that one. There's that one. No. What road is this water coming from? Okay, I'm just gonna skip ahead. I'm gonna skip ahead to when I get this done and everything, and I will get back with you guys when I figure this out, because this is starting to get on my nerves. So I will be back. I figured it out. That took forever. I didn't realize how frustrating that would be. Oh my goodness, that was not fun. Not fun at all. Okay. Alright, where are signs? Because if I don't put signs on this, I'm gonna get confused. So let's grab this. Okay. Let's go. That would be items. Oh, come on. Smelted. That is where you put none. Okay. Okay, let me turn this on. Okay. There. It is done. That was a pain to do. So now I just need to go. Oh, wait, do I got shoulders? No, I don't. I almost died. Alright, let's clean up my inventory. Put that there. This there. You. Perfect. Put that there. Throw all this in there. Okay. Now, move all that. That. Yeah, this is why I need to make an actual chest room. Put all this back where it goes. Sort that. I don't need these. So we'll stand back right there. Okay. I can throw this in here. Alright, let's go get a ton of fuel. But first, I'm gonna repair. This is another XP farm I got. This is just armadillos and everything. Just, oh, come on. No, there we go. I just do this, and then I got part of Tikaru that I can just put on periodic attacks and just mend my stuff right here. So I'm gonna skip forward until all this is done, and I will get back with you guys. Okay, guys. Everything is mended pretty much. I got my elytra and my pickaxe and everything. So let's go get all the fuel and everything that I need for this farm. It is about 5,000 blocks away, which is extra. I don't even know what that is. Extra annoying, but that's what I get for being dumb and adding biomes of plenty into this. Now I gotta fly forever to get to there. I wonder if it would be faster putting like what I'm thinking of? Like an ice highway to it? Yeah, see? This is from Biomes of Plenty. There's absolutely nothing I can do to get rid of it. I can't restart the world. I can't do any of that. Because it'll probably just corrupt it. And it's not worth all the drama and everything. This is gonna take forever. All of this just for coal. Literally just for coal. Alright, I'm just gonna skip ahead. This is gonna take forever to fly out here. So, I'm gonna just skip ahead. I'll see you guys back when I get there. So, let's just load up. Oh, the weather's gone. Wait a minute. Okay, there's the coal. I was like, I know I have coal in here. Alright, there's that. Load up as much as I can. Drop all that too. Let's put that there so it's closer. And load it quicker. Yeah, once I find a design that I like for a storage system, I'm hoping to have a furnace array in it. Hold over here. Yeah, a little bit. Alright. There should be plenty of coal. Okay, so we're just gonna fly back now. I'll see you guys back when I get there. Okay, guys. Back from the flying. Had to make a pit stop at the gold farm. I wanted to dump off some of that coal and everything there while I was there. You never know when you might actually need it out there. So, let's go down here and set this farm up. Okay, so, put a chest there. Let's see, all of this coal. Let's do this. Put this coal in here. Okay. Alright, that's all filled. All the coal in this chest. And then we can test this farm out. Perfect. Alright, let's go get some cobblestone from my cobble farm. Grab that. You know what? We'll grab a ton. Okay. Throw it all in here. And just flick the lever. And watch it go. Alright. This one does the coal. The top one does the items. And then watch it go. Perfect. The one on the bottom will come and get it. It will bring it down here, I think. Yeah, and you'll see it come out of here. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Okay. No, it should come up to here. Yep. Perfect. Alright, everything is working. Finally. Should make getting resources a whole lot better. I don't have to sit and wait now. Everything's done quick. But, alright guys. Thank you for watching. That has been a simple furnace array. Pretty much do the job for right now in this world. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll have another video out maybe sometime later this week and everything. It might not be Minecraft, or it might be, I haven't decided what I want to upload, but thank you for watching. Hey, have a good day, guys.